Alright, as you can see, I've been stripping everything off the shelves, making room. So, unfortunately, I don't have enough space to stack these too high. So, that could pose a problem, maybe. Why is this thing not? Well, anyway. So this is all basically fire making. I don't know if you guys can see that. This whole thing here is fire making. There's a little bit of fishing stuff down in here. I'm no fisherman. These are just some random carabiners. Random tote for now. I still have to go through all this. This is more fire making. I still have to go through all this, which is even more fire making. Yeah. I still want to go through all my stoves and cook sets, which I think I might do before dinner. I've got my bag here, my food bag. So, yeah, let's see what we got here. We got family set. We got a fuel canister, canteen. Snow peak kettle. I got a first aid kit and a stowaway pot. I got a random grill down here. I got more fat wood, which I need to start burning this stuff up too. This whole box of stoves, which I did a video on. And this whole box is cook sets. So, alright, so what I want to do is split my stove bins in half. So I've got a whole can of denatured alcohol. This way I'll know where it is. And then I'm going to put the larger stove in here. And the new stove I got to do a video on. Anything small and Trangia, we'll go down to the smaller one. They even got these little guys too. I don't know about these just yet. So I got the Fancy Feast set. And that's got to go in here, because that's a must-have. I got this Voyeur grill, which I love this thing. Got my other little grill. Got my Fab Creation stove. And other grill here. I should turn and let you guys take a better look. There we go. Got a lot of this butane fuel. Cutting board lid for Trangia. Got the sterno, which I still haven't opened this one yet. The leading part of my problem. Other grills. So I can put the smaller stuff in the Trangia down. One Tigris down here. The manger can go down here. What is this? I think these are just rocks. No, that's another stove. Oh man. Got the one Tigris bag. Shane Coffey gave me this. He's such a cool guy. I wish he was closer. I go camp with him. Sucks he doesn't look closer. That stove. Trangias. I think I'm gonna try to squeeze bottles in here too. A fuel bottle. More butane. This is a foil reflector. Another butane. The Fab Creations Trangia set. Another stove. Man. And then MSR pocket rocket. And a little bit of no, it's not even paracord, that's just junk cord. So I've emptied a whole box, except for got another grill. So, I always like to bring one of these trash bags often because if I cook with this pot, it has soot all over it. I could put the bag inside put the pot inside the bag so I won't get soot all over the inside of my backpack. That's why I had it in there. And now I guess I'll just set these on top. These are those steamer racks. They're easy enough to move around. If anybody has a suggestion for a better way to store them, that would be phenomenal. So, a lot of you guys oftentimes have the best advice, like valuable advice. So, I got another stove. All right, can I stand this up here? That might work. All right, let's get the lids for these. All right. It's ridiculous how much stoves I have. I had to end up getting 2 boxes. Unfortunately, these lids, these don't click on very well, so I don't think this will fit. Nope. That's fine. Whatever. So I got stoves and stoves. And then we got cook pots, which I need to go get out my other bin. Alrighty. I've already done a video going over all my cook sets. I need to get out and use this. I always keep telling myself that. Man, I need to get out and use this. Man, I need to get out and use this. It must sound like a broken record. I feel like a broken damn record. My skillet. I have a pan. Put the bowl in here too, along with another bowl. This bowl. I'm gonna put my lids. I'll leave them in the canteen. Got my dollar store loaf pan. I did one video in. Still have my thrift store cook pot I haven't used in a while. And technically these are stoves too, I just keep them in here. This is that black container for the mac and cheese that I did. I actually kept both of them because I figured I would use them again at some point. I still haven't, but I figured I might. And then I should get 2 Stanley cook sets. And I don't remember if you guys remember, but I did a 5-pound survival kit challenge, and this was my cook pot. Oh man, it feels like forever ago. Stainless steel dog bowl. I haven't used that in a long time. I think I don't have enough room in here for all this. I won't be able to get the lid on. Let me organize off camera. Sweet. See what I mean about the lids? They just don't. Oh well. This on the shelf. And there we go. I still got a little room between this one for whatever. But I got all my cook pots. I still have to do something with this, this, and this. But I managed to pull 3 boxes of stuff off. So those are all going slated for the trash. Although I've got my my first aid kit here, I could probably stick this right here between the boxes. Got my box that my Becker came in. I still have the box. So maybe I could go that. I'm gonna do that. Fat wood. These aren't even MREs. These are just all the. It's like a bag full of accessory packets that I just. Oh, I got a few things, food items in here. It's like I got corn nuggets, some of the drink mixes. I got the teriyaki beef stick right here. This is actually food. I just, you know, the bags work so well for storage. Where to put them though? For now, I'll just set them up here. Let's see. All right, so then I've got this whole box is fat wood, which you can't see because I'm off camera. Then I've got my, what is this? Oh, this whole bin is full of knives. All my blades are in here. And then I've got, this one here was full of, that's why I have these shelves tight like this, because this is basically just, I guess I'd have to pull it in and show you. Alright, so this one here is just nothing but blades. BK7, GNS, all my Moras. And then this one, it's just paracord, a bunch of Hanks, and just random stuff. I guess the lighting is not very good. Oh, this crap cordage I need to throw away, which I think I'm going to do right now because this stuff sucks. This stuff really sucks. Like, it's not even good enough to be in my bin of cordages. Let's throw all this crap away. Alright, so got rid of all that cordage. So I got some bank line in here and a bunch of Hanks of bank line. There's a skewer in here, a couple skewers floating around, a few tent stakes. Nothing really major. What is this? Oh, Hidden Woodsman panel. The scales for a blade, more tent stakes. So, got a tripod in here, a cooking tripod, which I've done videos on. So, haven't used it in a while. Need to get it out again. Alright, I think I'm going to be calling it a night. I got this whole box here is full of fat wood and fire starters. So, you know, box it. I might be able to squeeze it on the top of my stoves here, I think. Will it fit? No, it doesn't. The first aid kit's in the way. Well, if I set it back like that, then it will fit. I should have bought more of these. They're only $6. I might go buy, kind of tempted to go buy a few more. So I have one container left. One small one. Let's see. Okay, so I've got this empty one, this empty one, except for the bags. Those are just temporary with a lid. So I still have one of those. This one I got to do something with all the char and everything else. I have my Eat Carbs Outdoors food bag, which I need to do something with. I still have to organize all my food. Go through all that. I still have this whole box to organize. It's just thrown in there haphazardly. Oh man, I gotta start downsizing. All right, well I'm gonna call it a night. Pick up tomorrow, I think. It's only Saturday, so I still have all day tomorrow. Excuse me. Damn, I might go buy 3 more of these at $6 a pop because I think that could easily replace this and this box, which you can't see, but this box here and then this box here full of rando. There's like gloves in there, first aid in there, a bunch of small stuff in there. I can go through it and throw it away, which might be its own video at this point. I got all my stoves, not my stoves, my cook pots stored away. I still have my knives, cordage, 2 boxes of stoves. This is just fire making. Whew. I still have to go through all my food, which is right down here, this whole tote. I'm gonna go through and check expiration dates, see if they, can you see that right here? Yeah. I can't even close the lid on it. And I need to like I think I might sit down and make a meal plan too and not buy anything until I at least consume half of that or whatever. Just try to use it up along with the coffee, tea, and drinks. Whew, it's ridiculous. I need a whole, I would actually like to buy another house and have an entire gear room. That would be the ultimate. I'd really like that. And I could use it too. I want to get another one of these shelves for the living room. I want to get rid of my dining room table because it seats 6 and get either a 2 or 4 seater. And then put one of these behind where the kitchen is, the dining room, which I'll probably show you when if I do it, which I do really want to, and go with 2 of these, and then some of this can spill out over there. Like I think I might move all the food out there and just do like several of these tubs, or maybe a couple of these, and just spread it out like small stuff, like maybe canned food, or just separate totes, and get more organized. I'm just scratching the surface of organization. And then there's these 3 boxes up here, or 2 boxes up here, as you can, these 2 boxes here. These are basically like tarps, and I got rain gear, a hammock. I got a hammock in here. One of these has an MRE in it, and just a bunch of other rando stuff. But the boxes fit perfect, so they fit really well up there. But it'd be nice to actually get them in a container. I think. I honestly don't know yet. And then the whole top is, which I don't know if you can even see that. I've got random stuff that all needs to be organized. I might try to see if I can get some like big totes just to drop all the tarps in instead of having them just loosely sitting up there. That might be something, unless you guys have some suggestions. I mean, a lot of that stuff I can just drop into a larger tote. I get those big red sleeping bags right here. They're not packed in there. They're a loose roll, so that way they don't get all compress the insulation. Although they're just a summer bag, but they probably need to be dry cleaned, and they've been sitting up there collecting dust. I didn't use them at all this year because I haven't camped all year. They're great sleeping bags. I don't want to get rid of them either. Maybe either a big long tote, or maybe just a couple of deep tall totes I can just drop the stuff in. I don't know. If you guys have some suggestions, I'd love to hear it. So yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna means I gotta make another road trip, or go to Winco, but they still have these for $6. I might go get 3. So I worked a bunch of overtime, so I had some extra cash, so taking advantage, getting everything organized. Well, anyway, it's a little bit better than it was looking, but still a long way to go. Anyway, I do appreciate you watching. If you stuck around to the end, probably not the most exciting video, but it's long overdue, trying to get organized. So anyway, I've been rambling for 5 minutes, so I'm gonna call it a night. Have a good night, and then we'll talk to you later.